How often should you post videos to YouTube? Does it matter when you post, and should you post daily? Should you post 2 times a week? How much should you post? And what about YouTube Shorts? So sadly enough, there's no one size fits all. You sort of have to figure out, okay, how much time am I able to dedicate to YouTube? How much time do I want to dedicate to YouTube? Maybe you have a work that you go to. Maybe you have some kids that you need to feed. It's all about finding that work balance to make sure that you're not doing too much YouTube and doing less of your real life with family and friends and work and stuff like that. And also that you're not only relaxing and watching Netflix all day. The best way for you to figure out how much time you can dedicate to YouTube if you don't have much time is to just post a few videos and learn, get feedback, and understand the whole content itself. And then you will understand, okay, am I spending too much time on this? Can I spend more time on this? Can I up the quality? Am I too perfectionist? Can I make sure that I can dial it back a little bit in order to enjoy other stuff, play video games, be with your wife, whatever it is? It's important, like I said, to find that balance in order for you to understand how often you should post. If we take Mark Rober, for example, he's posting only 12 videos a year, so essentially a video each month. That is because he's a scientist and he's experimenting with different stuff that he knows that will work for a video, and he's probably making like small concepts of whatever he's going to talk about in his video. He tests it out. Maybe he films like a short video to figure out, okay, does this work for a YouTube video and whatever. And he needs to understand, how can I explain this to my audience? And then they start to build the big scale, and he shoots his awesome videos, because if you post high quality, the chances are that people will find your content no matter what. If you're able to dedicate a small little corner of your apartment to have some lights and stuff like that, so you can set up this little studio. Me, for example, on my desk, I have some lights, I have this microphone, and just plug in my phone, hit record, and I'm ready to start. To not have that friction when it comes to creating content, just flick it on and hit record. But Espion, what about YouTube Shorts? YouTube Shorts is a whole nother video, but simply broken down, it's basically if you are a shorts creator and you're able to make a 1 to 3 minute video, you could probably make a few videos in a day or in a week, and you can just post them, and the content is so different and you will get a different type of audience. But those types of videos you can post, let's say 7 videos a day if you're able to. Your audience might be really different from when you post a long form, keep that in mind. But you're able to post more content on shorts and reels and TikTok and stuff like that, because you're able to just spam out videos because they're not more than 1 to 3 minutes long. For me personally, I like to focus on long form and try to edit them down later on into shorts if I'm able to. As of right now, with my work balance, I don't focus on shorts, but I will in the future. There isn't really a magic number on how many times or when you should post your videos. I suggest that you just start out posting a few videos and make sure that you post at least once a week when you are starting out, to understand the space, get some feedback, and then you will eventually figure it out yourself. If you're able to be creative, passionate, and just have fun and create videos, that's what matters. And yeah, watch this video up next. Remember to subscribe and leave a like. Espion, peace out, goodbye, bye bye, goodbye, bye bye.